Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Are you looking for a reliable solution to convert OFT to PDF files? Let's start by downloading the 4 and 6 OFT Converter Wizard on Windows supported system. Now, run the application and open it. As you see, this utility has a simplified and intuitive interface that anyone can use to achieve the task. First, go to the Open tab and select an option from Choose File and Choose Folder to load OFT mailboxes in the software panel. Pick the required OFT folder containing useful information from the system and click on Select Folder. Wait, the software is analyzing the OFT mailboxes. The tool lists all the OFT mailboxes in the software interface. Here, click on the OFT mailbox that data you want to preview in the software window. As you see now, all the emails in the OFT folder are listed one by one. Now, click the email to view the message. This way, you can preview the OFT email message with all the properties and elements such as signature, sender information, and more. This utility provides multiple saving options to easily export OFT mailboxes with attachments. The utility provides separate export and extract option, as you can see in the software window. Choose PDF option from the export option list. Then, click on Browse and specify a location on your system to get the final results. As you see, there are many options available in the software panel. So, let's first understand them, and it is up to you whether you want to enable the option or not. The first is Open Folders after export is done. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved gets automatically opened after the conversion. The next one is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. The other one is to delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder, then please enable this option. Next is an Include Email Header. We recommend you to disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. Another one has Included Properties. Please enable this option if you want to see emails with their respective features and elements. Next is Show Page Numbers. If you enable this option, then it allows you to insert page numbers in PDF document. The last one is Saving Attachments in a Folder. Enabling this option, you have the freedom to save attachments in a separate folder. Now, finally, click on the Save button. You can see the live process to convert OFT files into PDF file type in the software panel. If you want to test the utility for free, then download the demo edition of the software. It helps you view, export 10 OFT files from a folder to PDF file format. Now, let's check the final results. Click on Open Folder button. As you can see, all the OFT mailboxes are successfully converted to PDF format with all the properties and elements. That's all for this video. We hope you get a good understanding of how to view and convert OFT files to PDF format with attachments. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more 4 and 6 software videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.